let's start. One second. Let's start the session. Um, Before starting, I just want to know if your assignment is completed, or is there any issue in completing the assignment? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Varnita. Completed? Good.
Yes.
Have you submitted it on the portal or?
No, I'm just doing it.
Okay, okay. And what about Karthik and Surya?
Ma'am, it's completed, but I'm images are resizing, ma'am. I have added some images, so on that
Okay,
I'm
okay.
working now.
Okay, okay. And what
And
about Surya?
No, not yet completed.
Not yet completed.
Yes.
Why?
Because we had an occasion last week, so I was busy in that. That's why.
Okay, okay. Try to complete it soon and um let me know if there is any query
Sure,
related to
sure.
the assignment. Okay?
Okay, sure. Definitely.
Okay, okay. So let's start the off-page SEO. I have Sita ma'am, I have shared
Ma'am,
PPT. Yes, Vanita.
ma'am, where do we have to submit it?
On the portal, one
Like,
second, let me check. Acha, there is okay. By the next session you will get the assignment there on the portal. Okay, submitted there.
okay, okay, all right.
Okay, yeah. So I see your PPT that is shared in the group. You can check the PPT in the group. Okay, for reference if you want. So let's start the off-page SEO today. What is off-page SEO? Can anyone tell me what is off-page SEO? Any idea
ma'am,
about that? Yes, yes, Karthik.
like social media,
Mm-hmm.
like social
And
media or any apps or softwares, we publish the articles, no, ma'am.
okay, what exactly is off-page SEO? But how will you define it?
Exactly, no, ma'am.
No. Okay, one
No,
second
exactly, I
again.
can't define, ma'am.
Okay, okay, no problem.
I'm like link building
Hmm.
and
Yes,
like off-site optimization, I think.
yes, uh, whatever optimization process we do outside of our website is
Yes.
known as off-page SEO, right? Is my PPT visible to you? Is the screen visible?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, um, enhancing the visibility of your website on search engine result pages by doing some off-page activities is known as off-page SEO, right? Mainly it includes the social media, content marketing, brand mentions, and influencers marketing, right? Now, let's see how it is important. And one second. Mhm. Okay. So, off-page SEO is very important. On-page SEO is important, but off-page SEO is also important. Off-page SEO actually is little bit time taking, and the things are not in our control in off-page SEO because we are doing all the process outside of our website, or we can say on any others website we are doing, right? So things are not in our control. But when we talk about on-page SEO, on-page SEO is all about our website, our own website. Okay, so things are in our control. So that is why on-page SEO is little bit easy, we can say, and off-page SEO is a little bit difficult. okay, as compared to on page, right? Now, what are the reasons why off page SEO is important? First of all, off-page SEO helps improving your website's visibility in search engine by making it easier for potential customers to find you on other websites also, right? So it actually enhances the visibility of your website. Okay, then it signals to the search engine that your website is a reputable source of information, increasing your domain authority, right? So, what is domain authority? Any idea about that? Any idea about domain authority and how to increase domain authority? How to check domain authority? Any idea about that? Anyone? No? Okay. One second. Yes, Surya?
Giving access to our web pages to navigation kind of things for editing.
No. That is not domain authority. Domain authority is actually, we can say, a ranking provided by search engine to our website. Okay, that is known as domain authority. When it is given to the whole website, it is known as domain authority. When this ranking is given to a particular page, then it is known as page authority. Okay, means it is actually, it shows how many people support you and how authentic is your content. Okay, uh, that is the authority of your website or your domain, right? And how to check this domain authority, uh, that I'm showing. We have various tools,
Can
paid
you
and
repeat?
free.
Can understand?
What domain authority?
Yes.
Domain authority is actually the ranking provided by search engine to your domain. Okay, ranking, not ranking on search engine result page, but it is the, you can say, how many people are supporting your domain. Okay, on the basis of that, search engine provides you authority. Okay, provides your website and provides individual pages an authority which is known as domain authority or page authority. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Karthik.
number of users giving us ratings and reviews. Based on that, they will give us ranking, no, ma'am.
Reviews also, there are so many things considered in this. Reviews are also counted when we create backlinks for our website. So how many good authority websites are supporting us, that is also counted. And how old is your website, that is also counted. How many keywords are ranking, how much traffic you are getting, all these things are counted actually. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have some paid and free tools for checking domain authority. We'll use a free tool, uh, domain authority checker. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible? Okay. So this is the free domain authority checker, that is moz.com. Okay. I'm sharing link in the chat box also. Okay, so this is the bar. Here we have to put the domain, means the URL of the website, and we have to check the domain authority. Okay, so let's check domain authority of facebook.com. This is how it shows the result, right? Domain authority of Facebook is 96. linking root domains means how many domains. Root domains means the main domain are linked to different main domains are linked to this facebook.com. So it is 64.9 million, right? Ranking keywords 28.7 million, and spam score is only 1%. Okay, so and how many top pages by links. So these are the top pages of facebook.com that are linked to other pages, other websites, and these are top linking domains. Okay, these are the domains with which facebook.com is linked. Okay, and all the domains, all the page authorities having good domain authority and good page authority, right? So that is why its domain authority is very good. It is 96. Okay. So this is how you can check the domain authority or page authority of any website. Okay. Um, Clear? Is it clear how to check the domain authority or page authority and how it is calculated? What are the factors included in this? You have to focus on linking your website with other domains with good authority. Okay, whenever you are linking your domain with any other website, you have to check the authority of that particular domain first or authority of that page first. Okay, then only you have to connect your website with that website. Okay, this is very important whenever you are doing off page SEO, right? And you have to rank your keywords, okay, to increase the domain authority of your website, right? And there should be no false information available on your website that will increase the spam score of your website. Okay, so that should not be happen. Clear? All the things are clear. So this is about the domain authority. After this, is it clear how to check this? Yes, Vanita.
Ma'am, when we have to check this, can you tell me that?
When we link our website, when we do off-page SEO, na, when we link our
Mm-hmm.
website to any other website by any off-page SEO activity, so at that time we have to check the authority of domain or page, okay, before linking it
Okay.
with our website,
Okay.
right? So
Ma'am,
yes, is Kartik?
linking root domain is there, no, ma'am. The third party website linked to our website, or we link it to third party websites, ma'am.
When we link to other website.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, means whenever you whenever you are sharing your url on any other website, so just check the authority of that website first. Okay, what is the authority of that domain or what is the authority of that particular page? First check that. If it is good, if it is more than 35 or 50, then you can go for it. Okay, because in the beginning your domain authority will be 0 or 1 or 10 something. Okay, so you can go for 35, 50, anything. Okay, then your goal should be more than 50 authority. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here,
Hmm.
if you link to some website, third party website, more than 80%, based
Mm-hmm.
on their ranking, our website also will be ranked more, no, ma'am.
Yes, yes, correct, correct. Because it shows your website is getting support by good authority website. Okay, so whenever we'll do off page SEO, we'll search for the list of websites which have good domain authority, then only we will do the off page SEO. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Okay. Sorry. So this is how the off-page SEO helps increasing the domain authority of your website, right? Then next importance of off-page SEO is traffic generation. So by improving your search engine result, page rankings, off-page SEO drives more organic traffic to your website, as well as when you share the link of your website on other websites, the traffic from that website divert to your website and brings you organic traffic, right? So this is how off-page SEO helps in traffic generation also, right? After this, next thing that off-page SEO do is it helps build your brand's reputation and authority in your industry by contributing to long-term success. Okay, means whenever you share your URL on any website, you mention your brand name along with that URL. Okay, so when you share the brand name on other website, on popular websites, and when a good traffic comes to that website and divert to your website from that popular website, it shows that people are taking interest in your brand. They start recognizing your brand. Okay, and this will ultimately give your business a long term success. Okay, so this is why off page SEO is very important. Clear? Any doubt in this? Okay, so after this, let's see what are the strategies involved in off page SEO. Okay, so one second, PPT is not visible, right? um, uh, is the PPT visible now? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how to do off-page SEO? First of all, what are the things included in off-page SEO, right? So, on quality backlinks from high authority websites. Okay, this is your main goal. Then create and share unique and engaging content wherever on whichever website you are sharing your content, or wherever you are sharing your URL, the content that you are sharing should be unique. Never copy the content of your own website on any other website. This should not happen. Okay, every time you have to share unique content, or you can do this. You can create separate content for sharing on other websites, but don't copy the content of your own website, because it will duplicate your content website sorry your website content, right? And what will happen, search engine will see that your content is copied, and it will not provide ranking to your website. Okay, so better not to copy the content from your website. Okay, always create separate content for sharing on other websites, and try to make it engaging, right? So that people engage with your content, and will divert to your website with that content. Okay, then third thing is create a Google My Business account. Okay, Google My Business account or Google Business profiling that you have to do, right? Then next thing is encourage customer reviews, that Karthik has mentioned that if we encourage customer reviews, definitely it will enhance the authority of our website. Okay, then build a strong social media presence. Okay, because social media is good source of traffic. So if we can build a strong social media presence, we can drive a good organic traffic to our website from those platforms, right? Then you can try influencers marketing. Okay, and you have to monitor your brand signals and mentions. Okay, whenever someone is mentioning your brand name on their website, just ask them to include your URL to along with the brand. Okay, so that people can divert to your website from that link. Okay, these are the things that you have to include in off page SEO. Clear? Any doubt in this?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we are second point is create and share unique and engage the content. So here we
Mhm.
are sharing our website links, ma'am, in other website to get traffic and to get ranking. So we are not duplicating or any copying the content of our websites, no, ma'am. Just we are sharing the our website.
No. See, what happens in off-page SEO? There are different strategies involved, right? Means sometimes we have to write guest post on others' website. Okay, so in that case, we will include the link of our website in the post, but the content that we write on others' website, that content should not be copied from our website. Okay, on others website we will write unique content, engaging content, and we will include the URL of our website inside that content, not directly. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll explain. We'll do this practically, then you will get how to do this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are the different off-page SEO techniques involved in that we have to do. Okay, so first is article submission, right? Article submission and guest posting. Okay, both are something similar. Okay, means here what we have to do, we have to write a content for other website, okay, which allows guest posting or which allows article submission. Okay, so we have different websites for these for this purpose. Has anyone used Quora or Medium earlier? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
All?
No, ma'am.
No. No. Vanita, Surya? Quora.com or Medium.com? Used this platform before?
No, no, ma'am.
No. Okay, so I'm sharing. One second. Uh, this is my screen visible? This is the Quora.com. Okay, I'm sharing link in the chat box. You can open this directly from there. This is actually you can say forum, or it is a question answer website. You can find any type of question here, and you can create your own questions also, and you can find questions and answer them. Okay, so what you have to do here, first of all, you need to log in with your Gmail ID here, right? And after logging in, you have to create your profile here. It will ask some questions about you, so you have to create a profile of yours here. Okay, and after this you can search for questions related to your domain. Okay, for example, my question is my website or my business is related to digital marketing. Okay, so sorry, I'll search for digital marketing topic here, and uh, questions. Okay, what exactly is digital marketing? How do I learn digital marketing? What is, means there are different types of questions available, and can you see answers are also available? 1.5 thousand answer, 1.8 thousand, 2.4 thousand. Okay, so you have to search for the question related to your business or whatever is your keyword exactly. Okay, for example, my keyword is mm WordPress. How to design WordPress website. Okay, let's say this is a keyword on my website. Okay, so I will search exact keyword here, and I'll check the questions related to my keyword. Okay, so here there is no answer yet, no answer yet, no answer yet, 52 answers. Okay, so competition is less here, right? We can write answers for these questions and include our link here, right?
Ma'am, we have to search for the keyword which is in our website only.
Yes, correct. We have to search for exactly that keyword that is available on our website. We will search that a keyword here, and we will find the relevant questions here. Okay, and when we find the relevant questions like this here, we have to select any question and we have to answer that question. Okay, you just have to click on that this answer button and start writing your answer. Okay, clear? Process is clear. Let me show you some answers also. uh, mm, mm. For example, India, what is development communication? What is the one thing that? Okay, so this is a keyword on my website. Keyword was this: say no to giving up. Okay, this was my question. Sorry, this was my keyword. Okay, so I have searched for questions related to my keyword. What is the one thing that stops you from achieving your dream? I have written separate content for that this question, included images. Okay, and this is a link to my website. Okay, this is my website. If they will click, they will redirect to my website, right? So this is how you have to write the content. Okay, clear? Is it clear how to do
Ma'am,
this?
please explain this again.
See, I'm showing this once again. For
Hmm.
example, one second, it is loading. So this is my website. Okay, and this is the keyword of one of my posts on my website. Okay, say no to giving up. Okay, this is an article, and what I have done, I have searched for this keyword here on the Quora. Okay, and I found this question on Quora. So what I did, I just wrote an article for this question, and in that article I have included my keyword somewhere in the sentence. Okay, naturally. Okay, and put my post link on that keyword. Okay, this particular thing is known as linking. Okay, या फिर backlink we can say. Okay, so in this article I have provided backlink to my original post, right? Clear? This is how you have to do it. The content that I have written here, this is unique. This is not copied from my website. Okay, I just have answered this question here, included images and included the link to my post here, so that people can directly reach to my post from this Quora platform. Okay, is that clear now how to do this?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so yes, Karthik.
here the question was asked by you and the answer also given by you only, ma'am.
No. Question was already available here. I have just searched for my keyword here. Okay. And I found this question relevant to my keyword. So I answered this question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For example, I am searching for another question. For example, I have another post. Mm, mm, okay. So this is uh, 7 acupressure point to cure diseases. Okay. So I will search for my keyword here. 7 acupressure points to cure diseases. What are the best acupressure points to cure essential hypertension? Okay, this is also relevant to my keyword, right? So this This is the question, and there is okay. So this is the answer option. I can write here directly. Okay, this is where I can write the answer. I can include my post link in this article, and I can put the images also. Right? Clear? How to find the question for your keyword? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but
Okay.
you have posted your website. There is natural, ma'am. But we want to, if we post, there will be HTTP dot some like that will be no, ma'am.
Means can you please repeat?
Ma'am, you have posted your website link there itself
Yes,
naturally and directly, ma'am.
yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
if we know, but most probably many people doesn't know it is a website link.
Hmm.
But if I given some answer to some question and I have posted on my URL, there will be it is clearly they will understand HTTP dot like that agriculture.com like will be no, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So
There
that
itself.
there is no issue. No issue. You can, whatever is your URL, you can share it directly. You can link it directly.
Okay, ma'am. But we can avoid that www.http dot we can avoid that,
Huh.
and we can
Yes, yes.
use.
That you can avoid. That you can avoid.
Okay, ma'am.
www you can avoid, but https that will come naturally. See, on my website, um, if you will see on my website is amblesssoul.com, but http whenever you will link it, it will https will come naturally. Okay, so you don't have to write it separately. Whenever you will link sorry, copy the link of your post, it will come naturally. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It will come natural. But here,
Yes.
say no to you
Giving up.
have
Mhm.
mentioned giving up. You have
Mhm.
mentioned, ma'am. But there, it is does not is there no, ma'am.
Yes, there is no https, so
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
also okay, no problem.
That is my question, ma'am. How can we give like that, ma'am?
Actually, I have written directly amblesssoul.com. Okay, one second. Still, it is redirecting to my website only, right? One
Yes, ma'am.
second.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, if I'll click, actually, this is amblesssoul.com. It is just showing the website, sorry, domain name. This is not the whole URL. Okay, whole URL is different. Whole URL is amblesssoul.com/motivation slash say no to giving up. Okay, so it is not showing whole URL here on the Quora. It is just showing the domain name here. Okay, whole URL is different. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So any other doubt?
No, no, ma'am.
No. Okay. So um, your first task is to after completing the previous task of writing an article on your own website. Now after completing that a task, you have to do another task, that is you have to search for your keyword on quora.com, and you have to create a backlink for your own website. Or what you can do, if you don't have any website or any article, what you can do, you can search any question related to digital marketing, and you have to link Stu Valley intern URL to that particular article. Okay, means you have to do off page SEO for Stu Valley intern. Okay, you have to practice it either for your own website or for Stu Valley intern. Okay, this is your another task. Is it clear what to do? Task is clear?
Ma'am.
Can you repeat?
Yes. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Once repeat, ma'am. After that, I will ask.
Okay, okay. For example, you have to first go to quora.com. Okay, link I have shared in the chat box. You can click directly from there. Okay, make your profile on quora.com and search for either for your keyword, okay, or for any question related to digital marketing. Okay, so for example, which is the best digital marketing institute in Delhi? So not in Delhi, or digital marketing, just search for digital marketing or best digital marketing institute. Okay, uh, any of the question related to digital marketing you can search. Okay, and you have to, okay, best digital marketing institute. Okay, this you can search, which is the best digital marketing course, which are the best digital marketing institutes, something like that. Okay, anything related to digital marketing, any question you can search related to digital marketing, and you have to write your own answer there. Okay, and naturally you have to incorporate the name of Stu Valley intern, or whatever keyword you are taking. Naturally you have to put the name of your website keyword in your article, and put the link of your post on that particular keyword. Okay, is that clear now? Is it clear,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone? Kartik, Surya?
Ma'am,
Yes.
here we have to create fresh page about Stu internal, or that we have to link that Stu internal internal.
Directly is to intern
Okay, ma'am.
website.
That link our website we can that include in this question and answer.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Surya, is it clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so this was quora.com. Okay, so this is how you can do article submission. Okay, and we have other websites too for article submission. Let's search for free, because you will get free and paid both type of article submission websites. We will go for free websites. Okay, so free website, sorry, free article submission websites. So here we have different websites for article submission. Okay, you will get many websites where you will not find the proper navigation, and you will not understand how to proceed with that website. So just try to search for the things. If you don't find the proper navigation, just leave that website. Okay, don't waste your time on any website. Okay, so these are the free article submission websites. Let's click on this one, and so these are the websites available. 112 websites are there. Don't go for this 1, 3, 15, 6. Okay, just go for websites which have domain authority more than 30. Okay, 3030. So and you will not find anything on this advertise era. Okay, so don't go for this. um, let's see one of this, blog.yucalo. This is also same. uh, this is also same. I'll share the link for this article submission websites. Okay, some of these websites are not uh, this is good. Tumblr.com is good. Has anyone used Tumblr before? Tumblr.com?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, 1 second. So you have to create your profile on Tumblr also. This is very good website and good authority also. Tumblr.com. Link I am sharing. I have already created my profile here, so um, it is not asking me to log in, but you can log in with your Gmail ID. Okay, it will ask you some questions related to your business or yourself. So you have to just enter your birth date and your topic of your interest, and then you will come to this dashboard. Okay, so just create your profile here on tumblr.com, and here you can share text, you can share images, you can share codes, links, chat also you can do, audio you can share, and video also you can share. Okay, and it is totally free. Okay, if you want to go premium, that is different, but in free version also you can do many things. Okay, so for example, this was the keyword on my website, again, true definition of success. Okay, so I have written this content here, and I have included hashtags and source. I have shared my link also. Okay, so this is how you can create backlink on tumblr.com. Okay, simply what you have to do, either click on link or text or image, whatever you want to share. For example, if you want to share a link, okay, so directly paste the link of your post for which you want to create backlink. Directly type the link. Okay, insert. Okay, now when you want to write, when you will start writing the text part, first of all you will start with your keyword itself. Say no to giving up. Okay, and then whatever content you want to write, just write this, include hashtags, related hashtags. Okay, and if you want to share images, that also you can share, or previews already available here. Okay, so that is up to you. Okay, and just post it. Okay, clear how to create a link, sorry, backlink on tumblr.com? Is it clear? Any doubt? Any query?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. So tumblr.com is also added. Okay. Whatever, whichever website we are including in this off-page SEO activity, you have to do it practically. You have to go to that website. You have to create your profile, because these websites are of good authority and they will provide you instant backlink and good authority backlink. Okay, so make sure you go to all of these websites and create your profile and share the link of your website. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, after tumblr.com, next is reddit.com. Anyone using Reddit already? Reddit.com? No?
Yes, ma'am. I've created one account in that.
Oh, nice, very good. uh, so what about others? Kartik and Surya, not using it? It is also very good website, and you can earn a good quality backlink from that too, there too. Okay, so tumblr.com, I think I have shared the link in the chat box. Yes. Now next is reddit.com. Let's see that platform also. Link I am sharing in the chat box. Okay, shared. So here also you have to create your profile, log in with your Gmail ID, and you have to in the settings section. Yes, this is the profile section, right? So in the profile section you have to share all the details. Like if you don't want to share your personal detail, that is okay. But if you are creating this profile for your business, so all the details related to your business you should share here. If you have different pages, like Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube page, that also the links to those pages in the social links section you can share the links to these platforms also. Okay. And any this display name will contain the name of your business. Okay, so whenever you will post anything on Reddit, it will display the name of your business. Okay, so it is actually considered as brand mention on reddit.com. Okay, and it will give you a good authority from this platform. Clear? Now how to um, uh, mm, share a post on Reddit? Let's see that. First of all, you need to search for a group related to your business. Okay, for example, my business is digital marketing, so I will search for digital marketing here. Digital marketing. Okay, so these are the different groups available related to digital marketing, and members are also mentioned, how many members are there in this particular group. So select any one of them. Okay, and first of all, before submitting anything in any group, you have to read rules of that group and you have to follow the rules. Otherwise they will um, disapprove your post in that particular group. Okay, so first of all, read the rules. Okay, and follow the rules. Okay, and you have to request join the group. Okay, and after that you can create the post in that particular group. You have to give title here, body content will be here, link you can give from here. Okay, images and videos you can add from here, for example. Okay, now images and videos are actually not allowed, I think, because it is not available here. So whenever this option comes to write the text and link, in the text section you have to write the keyword of your post for which you are making this backlink. Okay, clear? Don't mismatch this anchor text and URL. Okay, this is known as anchor text and this is known as link. Okay, link is, this is the link. Click on save. Okay, and after that whatever you want to write, or you can directly put the link on here also. Okay, write the content here and click on post. Okay, clear? How to do this, how to submit any post on reddit.com, is that clear? Just follow the instructions of the group and submit your article. Okay, clear? Clear how to use reddit.com, how to post there? So just save all the links that I have shared in the chat box. You have to do off page SEO for all of these websites. Clear? Is it clear? Any query, any doubt, anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Clear. So after this, after reddit.com, you have to create your profile on LinkedIn also, Facebook also, and Instagram also. Okay, so by the next session, um, uh, I hope everyone will have their profiles on all these websites. Okay, clear? By the next session, everyone will have their profiles on these websites.
We had a personal profile. May I had to create for an official one?
No, it is up to you. For now, you can create personal profile also. Okay, for learning purpose, you can create personal profile also. Okay,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
And after
Ma'am,
this, yes, Karthik.
I have Facebook account, ma'am. Again, I have to create new one, ma'am. Or
No,
we
no,
can
no,
go
don't,
to.
don't. You can use that only. Okay.
Okay, 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 ma'am. Ma'am,
So, yes,
ma'am.
Karthik.
Initially, you have told Quora and the other one, no, ma'am. The other one you didn't tell, no, ma'am.
Which one?
Uh,
Medium.com.
Medium, okay, ma'am. That one.
Okay, medium.com. Yes, that also will cover. One second. So, medium.com is, again, here also you have to log in with your Gmail ID. Okay, this is how medium.com looks like. Again, it is a question answer website. Okay, you can find answers for your questions on any topic, and you have to create your profile. And whenever you want to submit any article, just click on this right option, put your title here, put your article right here, your article, add images, links, okay, whatever you want to link, and submit your article. I'll show you how to write this. My stories, see, 7 acupressure. I think I have not written anything. Yeah, okay, it is in draft. What is stopping you from success? Okay, so this is also in draft. Mm, it is just same as Quora.com. Yes, this one I have written penny stocks. Okay. Mm, oh, one second. Read more. Okay, so this is how this was my keyword. Okay, it was in 2018. Okay, so this is the article. You can include images, and here I have included link to my post. Okay, post on my website. Okay, so that anyone can directly reach to my website. Okay, and it is same as the Quora.com, but here you don't have to search for question. You can directly put your title here and start writing your article. Okay, and put your include your keyword naturally into the sentence, and put your post link on the keyword. Clear how to do off page on medium.com?
Ma'am,
Yes.
if I take digital servicing, no, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
If I take as a keyword and I have created on that website, so here I
Mm-hmm.
am mentioned the title as a digital marketing services. Then below
Yes.
that we have to write the articles
Article.
and matter, no, ma'am.
Yes, correct.
There, what I have written in the website, that
Mm-hmm.
should not rewrite here, or we can rewrite it, ma'am.
No, don't rewrite that. Don't copy your website content. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
make another content for off pages. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yes. So all the techniques that we have discussed today, all the things are clear. Any doubt, any query regarding any technique? No. Okay, so just try to complete your first assignment first, and then we will continue all the off-page SEO activity in the next session. Okay, let's wind up the session for today. Yes, Karthik, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. Take care. So thank you so much, everyone. Let's wind up the session for today. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.